Hello, my friends. My name is Vasily, I'm a iOS engineer, and welcome to my channel. So, what we are doing here? Before you continue watching this video, so basically in this channel I am trying something new. So, this is a kind of live attempt, right? I have some specifically about this video, I have like blur understanding about the topic about React Native. My experience is very little in the React Native world. So, and what we are going to do? We are going together with you write some code, create a mobile application. Since I am a iOS developer, I know how to build mobile iOS applications, like native iOS applications using Xcode, Swift, UIKit, Swift UI, all of these modern things. And I'm thinking about okay, let's try new, at least different tools, right? I do not want to go today, maybe even in several years when I review most of these tools. I don't want to compare them, because for different tasks you should use different tools, right? Think about right now, we have native development, right? iOS, Android. Then we have cross-platform development, right? That includes mobile, maybe desktop application, right? If we talk about Flutter, right? I need to check it, but yes, as I correctly remember, they had a web application, you can build web application, mobile application. It could be a portion of code could be the same on all of their clients, right? But this is not true. Let's check it later, right? So in this channel, and today we will try to make another attempt. So you know what? This is not second video, this is third video, because previously, first video about React Native, it was very interesting and I stuck on the configuration, right? So means I already had Visual Studio Code and I already had some configuration before I recorded that video, but I made the setup half a year, maybe year ago. I recorded video, right? And it's okay, let's try to open it. Maybe Xcode will resolve all problems and create everything, create a new application, and we will not have any problems, right? So that was kind of mistake, because nothing was working, and whole hour with you, we're trying to resolve problems. I'm not sure, I do not remember the results. Actually, I need to check it, right? So my second attempt with React Native was on the previous week, and I had the same, and I decided, okay, after 50 minutes I had different errors. I thought, okay, I need to stop this. I do not want to publish the same video. So, and what I did, a week ago, last Thursday, less than a week ago, it was a Thursday. Right now, this is Monday evening, right? So I tried to, I resolved everything. When I created a project, I had no problems. I update all the configuration. I uninstall something old and install something new, right? And actually it wasn't just hour. I also, when I stopped recording after 50 minutes, I spent two more hours to understand how to resolve all problems and how can I run it without any errors, right? So looks like I solved it, but that was half week ago. Maybe today it will not work, and I hope I will release this video. I cannot do this. I cannot write a video and then delete it and then write it. Record and then delete and then record and then delete. uh, this do not have me to. This is not motivation for me, right? This not motivate me. Oh my god, right? I mean, yeah. And also, sorry, like we're together learning English. Personally, me, I am learning English, right? Sorry for this, but I mean, you like my English, right? I mean, it's kind of good. I hope so. So, also, we are together listening the same music, so I can write about like, do you like it or not? Maybe it is like too loud, maybe because right now I decreased my volume sound on here, and on a video probably you will hear a little bit more. And I mean, of course, I'm preparing myself for streaming, right? So this is kind of live recording. I mean, regular I do not use, like I am not using professional editing tools. I mean, I do not edit my videos, right? I like just add some text, like information, right? I mean, yeah. And regular it's kind of live. Okay, so let's jump to our topic. Let me switch to my wonderful screen. And remember what we did on the previous video about Flutter. So I also forgot to publish it somewhere. I will do it probably with this video. You will see a repository with Flutter and with, I hope, React Native project. So how we're going to work? Let's check. So what we did previously, and we want to do the same with iOS application with React Native. So we want to create a button, right? This is our screen. We want to create a text button, right? And when we click on the text button, we have this alert, like hello and hello Flutter, right? Like hello text and hello Flutter is like a body, text body description. So we will do the same, but instead of Flutter, we will have hello React Native. We did this. Okay, and again, I do not want to make an idea, to follow like an idea that I wanna specifically. I am focusing on iOS because I'm iOS developer, right? Like about Android, I do not have enough experience, right, with Android platform. So I mean, maybe we will learn something new. Maybe we will do something together, right? So what I want to focus on iOS, and I do not want to make React Native application looks like specific iOS, like or native iOS applications, right? I mean, the same what I did with Flutter, right? I just added this code, and it is material, right? It looks like Android application, but on iOS, and I'm okay with this. With the styling, we will do something different. Right now, we just wanna start, and like if right now we start with Flutter, and if I compare with React Native, much easier. So I mean, of course, if we talk about native iOS application, so this is number one. So today, on the second place, I would like to set React Native, and third place would be second place Flutter, third place React Native. This is only about how to start, how difficult to start, right? I'm not talking about anything else, about languages, about convenient. Right now, only like plug and play. Xcode is the best. Flutter second place, and actually everything working is out of a box, right? And with React Native, I have some troubles with that. So tell me please, if like probably there are lots of packages, dependencies and so on. If you are from a backend world, right? Is it always like this, right? I mean, I remember I created several Ruby applications, and like when I freeze my work and say, okay, I will do it later, and later may happen in half year and so on. When I try to run application, for example, a Ruby application, something not working. It was working before when I left it, and when I returned to it, okay, after half year, right? It is not working, and like I feel I have some problems. Is it always like this, or maybe I do not have enough experience, right, to manage it? Like it's always should be just running several commands and everything working out of a box, right? So please give me some understanding, because today I feel that web applications and backend infrastructure is always like this. I tried Android using Android Studio, right? And I tried, of course, Xcode. And with these two guys, I mean, probably everything was going correct. So, like, if it's old Xcode, like we have migration, I do not remember what happened on Android, but I can leave a project and return like at least half year I tried it. So probably we will do the same with these projects, right? We complete this series about like beginning in different cross-platform, using different cross-platform tools. We can leave it in a half year, maybe in a year, and then return back and try to run again and see will it work or not. Okay, one last thing. I'm trying from time to time. Forney, my wonderful cat. Yeah. So from time to time, I'm trying to. Yeah, you're welcome. You can go. So from time to time, I lost the idea. Remind me what I was talking about. Okay. Yeah. From time to time, like today, I can try to talk faster, but regularly I am slow. And you can increase the speed of the video, like to skip these pauses, right? I mean, yeah. Okay, let's start. So this is our Flutter application, and we already did this work. I promised to publish it with this video, and let's go to the new project. So actually, yeah. Like we have here ChatGPT4, and this is only tool I'm going to use, and of course Googling I'm going to use during my exploring way, like research way, right? So I have access to the GPT-4 access. I'm paying for it. Yeah, I have to pay for everything. So. And we will write like some messages. I have just 25 messages, but it's okay, right? And let's right now return to our project and let's create new project, right? So let me first of all create a folder, right? Somewhere. So new folder. I just wanna keep it somewhere, right? So, and we can go to there. Where is it? Yeah. So, okay. Sorry, I'm still working on it. Projects. I just want to create like a normal. Oh, one of the problem was, it was very interesting. One of the problem I faced this Thursday is when I created a project, Xcode, like this project was located in a folder with spaces, and I spent 1 hour to understand that I cannot use spaces in my folders. So projects, and right now it is going to be hello React Native, right? Hello React Native, and this is our folder. So, and of course, let's go to our, yes, of course I tried this authors, right? Author, wonderful author. So, let me open ChatGPT, and actually we can do different things. We can go just to React Native, right? And we can go React Native. Oh, first of all, let's check our environment. Is it okay or not? So, where is it? Where is, yeah, again, evening, Visual Studio Code, and we have we need to run commands, right? And we can do this and check development, right? Okay, we have this, everything is okay. Instead of, I mean, Android is a problem today, but it's okay. So let's go. I just need to find the command, how we can start React Native, right? React Native, start, right? And we have this, and let's go and create application. Yes. Okay, this command. I was looking for this command. And we are going here. So one of the idea of my videos, right? I want to learn, how can I use this ChatGPT, right? I mean, will it increase my speed of my work? I mean, working from scratch is a different thing, even if I do not know like React Native. That is not completely true, but this is kind of true. I am beginner, like a junior, right? But I know like programming in general. So in my case, I'm trying to understand how this ChatGPT increase my speed, right? Because I mean, if I know programming, at least I have here some expectations in my wonderful brains. So Vasily, open Visual Studio. Okay, and let's go new terminal, and here hello React Native, and we will let's name the same. Hello React Native. Come on. No errors, please. Okay. I also had the same previously, right? Let me check that everything is okay. Looks like you can see terminal. Because regularly, I mean, on one of my previous video, most of my videos previous videos, like my face were here down, right, in this corner. So I just move it up and see like how it is going, that you can see more code, right? But you also want to see me, of course, because I'm superstar, right? I mean, who? So, how was your day? Was it good? I hope. I mean, mine was pretty okay. So it's still installing, right? We do not know what is going on. But I hope. I hope today. I feel today we will have some progress, right? So yeah. And I actually need then to check, like, I mean, if you're a React Native developer, right? Okay. Ooh, previously I had errors on installing Bundler. So right now we installing CocoaPods. Oh, that is fantastic. I like this. Okay. it's very slow. I know. So let me highlight some plans. So probably we have more tools, we have some solutions from IDEA, right? They have Kotlin multi-platform and they have Kotlin native. As I correctly remember, I checked this a year ago. This is two different things. So they are both multi-platform, right? And as I correctly remember, Kotlin native is a thing that you can write Kotlin code and run on both iOS and Android, right? And Kotlin multi-platform is a different things. You can write, as I correctly remember, again, yay! Okay, that's it with highlighting. And right now, what we can do? Can we try to run it? Right? How can I run it? So, okay, open for iOS. Open hello iOS. Oh, on Xcode. So again, blah blah blah. So React Native, npx, okay, or and hit button. Let's do this. Let's do command, right? Can we run command? So and create new terminal, right? Okay. Oh no, what? What? I have Ruby. I have multiple vendor. Okay. What? Why? Okay. iPhone SE, right? So it is working. Let's see. It is very interesting. How will it go? All right. So, and yeah, React Native simulator, blah blah blah. So RVM warning, ignore all game files. You see, like, so many dependencies, right? I mean, maybe that is me, because I really prefer, I mean, I always worked with Xcode, and this is actually a very interesting thing. I never tried app code. Maybe I should try it, right? And since, but yeah, what about Swift UI today? I'm not sure that it is working, I mean, on app code, but maybe they have some interesting features, right? Okay. So we're building, right? And something happened, right? I mean, it should be right. So I never tried app code, and probably, I mean, I was talking about that I always worked with Xcode. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I mean, when I try, okay, maybe this is just my experience, that should be better, right? I mean, maybe like you're professional developers in backend, in web. Maybe you can argue me that, hey Vasily, you are not correct, because that it's working perfect, you can just do some setup, no problem, everything is working out of a box, like React Native. I hope you are building, and we are not just waiting, right? So, but on Xcode I do not remember that things, and I think what was my first Xcode actually? I don't remember. Was it like Xcode 9. I don't remember, but I tried lots of different Xcode versions, right? And I mean, oh, when Swift first released, so my first Xcode was when I tried Swift 1.2. So yeah, maybe we can try to figure out it later. Okay, like I know, okay, you are building, but like we still, I mean, is it correct? Right? I just really worry that hello React Native destination building, it is building. Oh, maybe it could be, but I cannot see any debugging information, right? Run iOS. Let's go to, since we are here, we are stuck, right? Let's go to documentation, right? And try to see how we can build this, okay? Oh, okay, npx React Native start in your React Native project. Oh, but what about here? Was it am I already running it, right? npx React Native npx. Oh, okay, let's do this. Maybe we really need to start npx and see. Okay, friend, please start, because it's a different command, right? And npx React Native run iOS. Yes, need to install. Wow, what? Couldn't resolve, and we have this React Native community. Couldn't resolve this from a root. Maybe we just need to wait while that thing stops. Okay, let's do it again. Unknown Ruby. Oh, maybe I need to install that kind of Ruby. Okay. So, okay, we just opened that thing, and right now we're building application again. Oh my god. Why it's so difficult, right? And I do not know, maybe we can try to what? Maybe we can try to run this and npx React Native run iOS, and we have some help. Okay, and npx React Native run iOS. Oh, wait. Can I have some understanding? So, okay, let's use this for both, right? So, to understand that something really happened. Okay, we have this. Okay. Oh, it started compiling. Yeah, I can understand this thing. Okay, but should it be like a very oh, yeah, it's big. Ooh. what actually files do we have here? What we loaded here? Okay, nothing. Okay, interesting. But something happened, right? Well, looks like we are loading so many. Oh, okay. I have this one, and I also have this one. Okay, allow. So I run on iOS, right? Opening. Whoa, interesting. I don't remember that thing. Maybe it was, but like I'm just too old to remember everything, right? It's possible. Okay, we have the same command. It's still doing something, right? Wait, isn't it the same? Wait, like, wait, what's happened here? Okay, so we're still trying to run, right? So, and we have, oh, but if I close that thing, will that work? Okay, got it. So it will terminate. No problem. So, and right now, debug console, let's start it again. Got it. So, looks like we... Okay, building, and right now I guess that window will appear again. Okay, yes, but if I do nothing, oh, okay, like I don't even need to select anything. It will automatically launch, right? Okay, so here we are here. Wonderful, right? So let's talk with ChatGPT, right? We have a specific task and we wanna finish this specific task, right? So hello Chatty, right? I mean, we know that this is AI. I want to remind you that if AI will conquer the world, right, it would be better to have a friend AI, right? I mean, like he can give us some Swiss hot chocolate and so on, right? When that happens. So in this case, I am trying to be very polite with any AI, right? I mean, this is just protection for my future. Hello, Chatty. So, I am trying to build a React native application. So, I need to build an app. I need to build the app with two screens. Two screens, semicolon, right? First screen is a home page, right? With the button in the center. With a button in the center. When I click, okay, with two screens, and probably it will be dot. First screen is a home page with a button in the center. When I click on the button, I will see alert with title and some text, some text. Couldn't you help me please with the code, with that code? Yeah. Let's see how AI, machine learning, will learn human. It's could be like a human learning. Can I name it as human learning, right? So much code. Let's wait while it comes finished, and then we will start understanding this. Okay, third, alert screen. Okay, this is good. Like our alert screen on the one place. This is home screen, and this is okay. Three sounds reasonable, right? If we check our Visual Studio application, right? Where is that Flutter? Hello Flutter, right? We also have like main page, like home page, and alert. Okay, this is correct for right now. Okay, let's start. So, okay, of course I can help you with that. Ooh, very polite. You see, this is my friend. So, you'll need to set up a new React Native project first. Okay, I did that using the React Native command line interface, CLI, or Expo CLI. I'll be assuming you're using the React Native CLI and you already set up the project. Yeah. Because we are friends, we know each other, right? So, of course, my friend knows everything about me. So, we will be making two screens, home screen and alert screen, and this is our main application. Okay, first of all, right, as a developer, what we are doing when we find the code in Stack Overflow or somewhere else. So okay, not me. I just copy, paste, and see will it work or not, and only after that I'm going to read it. Let's do the same. Do not, I am just showing you how it's not good to do, right? This is my personal choice. You, of course, you will read first, you will read everything first and then do something else, right? Try to copy and run the code. Okay, so let's go here, and right now we have app index. Okay. Ooh. So is it the same, right? React Native from React, app regis, import app from const app. Oh, sorry. It's so unprofessional, Vasily. Oh my god. Okay. So this is app.js. This is index. I need app.js. Right? No. Where is my app.js? Not modules. Okay, again. So should I just create this code here? App.tsx. Fantastic. Where is app.js? I want app.js. Okay, let's create new file. App.js. Okay. And of course it is going to be somewhere here, right? In a root folder. Move. Right. and here we will put this, and then we will create a library code, I don't know, yeah, lib, a new folder. Let's go with lib, maybe with app, yeah, with app. So new file, what is this file? Should be simple, right? Okay, screens, okay, okay. Rename screens, right? Then new file home.js, new file home.js. Okay, and we just can copy that thing. Tell me actually, what do you think about that code? Yeah, probably you can read it. So then second is going to be alert.js. I actually do not like the structure, but we will update it later. So if it's possible, new folder, new file. Okay, let me switch this composition, this track. Okay. So let's do this. Let's copy and run it. Oh, I just close it? What? Okay. Alert screen. Okay. Okay. So then I copy this. npm. Remember to install all dependencies. Okay, let's do this. Right, I mean React Native. So this is just, I am not sure if this is correct or not, but let's do this. And then try to run app.js. Right, so how will it work? Okay, and right now we can start application, right? So okay, looks like we don't need that. We will just use this. npx React Native run iOS. Okay. Come on, I know you can do this. Right, I mean we are all, we want to be happy. Okay. I mean, this is what was opened before, right? Okay. Welcome to edit. Okay. Edit app to change the screen. Okay. So we have app.js, right? Okay, and what we are going to do, we wanna run this thing. Actually, like, I know what we can do. We can just name it like this, right? And run again. Oh, okay, refreshing. Will that work? Okay, I just want to restart. Okay. Okay. Let's see. How will that go? If I just remove that thing. Okay. Something is not working. Okay, so I have this app.tsx, right? So, and let me try to find. Okay, this is okay. Let's ask ChatGPT. So I have app.tsx. What? I forgot that I cannot swipe between screens because I'm using display link to mirror that screen. I mean, screen that you're looking for. So swiping with fingers. I have a trackpad, so this is not working. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I am trying to find extension, right? TSX. Okay, TSX. I am trying to repeat it. TSX file. How should I modify it to run the app above? TypeScript. Okay. Oh. Wonderful, right? I mean, I have a few understanding about JavaScript, and this is TypeScript. I heard like lots of good things about TypeScript, but again, I'm not a professional web developer or backend developer, so I tried Node, not JS, but I tried with JavaScript, and of course it was like a very simple application and so on. Okay. Looks like right now we can do this. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to delete, move to trash. We do not need all of this code, we need just it. Okay, so and then home screen, rename, home screen, okay, TSX, and rename TSX, right? And we can copy this code and go here, place it here, right? This is a home screen. And this is going to be... Okay, main screen. Okay. This is alert screen, right? And right now I need to copy home screen. That's silly. Copy home screen, please. Yes, this is... Okay. Yeah. Okay. In TypeScript version, I'm using root stack param list. Type to specify what parameters each screen in the stack navigator can accept. This way, we get TypeScript auto-completion and error checking when we use the navigate function. In this case, both screens accept no parameters, so I've set the parameters type to undefined. Okay, so let's see, and we have an error here. Import from... Let's do this. Has no member. Okay, but I have the error, an error. Okay. Okay. Types. Okay. Types TS. Create file types TS. Okay. Or roads or okay. Let's do this. Types.ts. So new file types.ts, and we can do this. Root stack param, right? And what is gonna happen right now? We have this app. Let's do this. Just copy paste. We're trying not to spend time, right? We're trying to finish our task. And what about like this? Okay. Can we run the application? We don't have any errors, right? We do not have it. And npx React Native run iOS and see what is gonna happen. Let me check how our timing is going. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we have an error. And let's try to understand. Require native component was not found. So rn. Okay, can I copy this error? Okay, maybe I can see this error here, right? Oh yeah, I can see it. Okay. Okay. Thanks. But I have another error, right? Oh, I'm so problematic, right? Like I have so many errors. Okay, so React Native RNSScreen was not found, blah blah blah. It's often caused by not properly linking React Native screens. Okay, if you're using React Native 6 0.6 or newer, it uses auto linking. If you are using okay. Okay, so let's go and install and pod install, right? So and download all our dependencies, right? Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, why they're not installed? So interesting. So I also need to do this manually. I'm too lazy to make it manually. I want everything out of the box. Okay, let's run again. But at least we are running an application, right? Like I already, I'm happy because I mean, and you see, my experience about React Native near zero, right? And ChatGPT helped me to do this work, right? Probably I got it. If I had no experience with lots of different things, like during my long life, I tried like iOS, I tried Android a little, I tried Flutter, I tried Ruby, I tried creating Ruby applications, Ruby on Rails, I tried Node.js, I tried Qt, I tried C++, I tried assembly language, so lots of this. I do not remember half of this, more than half, right? But I still have an idea how things may work, right? And that helped me, because like, okay, I click this, I'm clicking here, I'm clicking this thing, maybe create file here, and so on. I can try to debug problem. Ooh. What? That's what I wanted. So, hello React Native. Yay! My first React Native application. Oh my god. Show alert. Yay! And it looks like native iOS application, right? So yeah, out of a box. That's what I wanted actually. I mean, it is a little bit different, right? Because we have a push screen. Let me try to remove that push screen. So I don't want to go to, so we have this application, we have home and we have alert, and I don't want to go, I want to open alert screen. So navigate alert. So probably like I want to remove this extra screen, right? So on press, okay, let's do this. On press, I can do this. Alert. Okay. And actually, no. I just want to have this alert, right? But it's really just one line. Okay. For right now, I can put it here because I like on our application, right? On Flutter, everything could be okay. Okay, we just need to add alert, right? Alert. So let's see what happened right now. Yes, that's what I wanted, right? And probably some of this code we can clean and remove things that we do not want. And today right now I'm not sure how can I take this layout code and extract it into separate alerts to do configuration, but I'm happy with this result. So let me switch back to my face and we can finish our video. So we got the result. I am extremely happy. So I mean, second/third attempt is successful using ChatGPT. So many things I am trying to explore in my videos. I am trying to put myself into uncomfortable things, into uncomfortable situation, right? I mean, my English is not great. Probably I need human learning tool. And I have no idea how React Native works. I have like bad understanding about this. I mean, yeah, we have packages, right? Like something new we have on iOS native, like SPM, CocoaPods, but like I never use. I mean, I do not remember using like gem file. Actually, what file do we have in CocoaPods? I do not remember. Yeah, I'm already not using CocoaPods. I'm using SPM. So, and that's what I'm trying. I'm trying to get more things in one video, and yes, I learned how to create application from scratch, how to run it. Also, I'm trying to understand how ChatGPT can help me. You see, like, I'm asking questions related to my understanding. So, like, when you I remember myself when I started creating a first Ruby blog using YouTube channel. I think I just searched in YouTube, create blog in Ruby on Rails, and just continue doing other things, just repeat. But that blog was already like 2 years old, and the problem with the blog was that it wasn't working. Different tools, some was deprecated, some already has different API and so on, and I had to spend time on Stack Overflow, on Google, and try to solve problem and understand what's going on. Yes, this is one way, and anyway, when you're working on a big project, you will go deeper. But I'm trying to understand how can I jump into the programming, right? So if we look at the code, right? Like let's do abstract things today. Like when I look at this code, I can read it, I can understand it, but I cannot write it. I cannot write this code. Like, I mean, for example, let's switch back. Right, I mean, I can see this code, right? I can see this code, I understand this layout, I can read it. I mean, but for me it would be difficult to write this code from scratch, right? I mean, probably, okay, I need navigation, okay, do I need to stack here or not? I mean, and this is a problem, and that problem could be solved with ChatGPT. Right, at least I already have something and I can continue modifying. Okay, very good results. Actually, I'm extremely happy with that result. And after problems with initial setup, this is a big challenge. This is a big challenge. 2 years ago, I tried, I failed, and I decided to keep it. I tried it like on a previous video. It's not working for me. It's very complex. I understand that like on each computer, on each developer device, you have different things, right? Something installed, something not installed. You have different packages, you have different Rubies and so on. But for tools like this, I really think that like a device checking and onboarding should be much simpler. That's what I understand. Yeah, but again, great day. Yes, for you, maybe for you I did nothing, but for me it's a very big step, because I cannot get to this point like many times, not years, times. Okay, so tell me what you think about this. Tell me about Flutter, tell me about React Native, tell me about the other different cross-platform, tell me anything what you wanna tell when we talk about cross-platform development, right? And probably I will see you in one of the next videos, right? Where we will try to explore another tool. Let me try to think what it could be. Probably it should be something from IDEA, I don't know. Maybe it could be Qt, maybe... Oh, we also have we have a tool from Microsoft, as I correctly remember. So we will try all of them with the same screen. So yeah, also write about this code. Is it like too complex, or it's too simple, or it's perfectly like not too much, not too few, right? Okay, that's it. I mean, I feel that I can go to the next loop and continue talking about how happy I am. So thank you for watching this video. Write something or not write something, and when I talked with ChatGPT about like, okay, what since I'm trying to be a YouTuber, right? I should tell something important at the end of my video to my subscribers and future subscribers. And since I do not have enough experience, let me try to say something important, like try to walk every day, at least 15 minutes, right? It will help you to be healthy, right? This is important. See you later. Bye.